What the hell was that?
I need more gas. I said I need more gas.
Well, why'd you shoot me then?
Because I ran out.